Hi guys, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys my skincare and makeup favorites of 2020. Last time I shared top 19 makeup of 2019 and top 19 lipsticks of 2019. So all of those products are still my favorite. तो इस बार मुझे सोचने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि what should I include in this video. So I have included some of my new makeup favorites and also my skincare favorites because makeup khatam ho gaya tha. So also this year, because of corona, I did not order stuffs like half of the year, and then jab courier services resume हुए, then पता नहीं मेरा मन उठ गया था. मुझे लगा in the lockdown I realized that I seriously don't need that much makeup. मतलब मेरे पास जो है I should try finishing it up first. So that was my motto this year and I did not buy a lot of products. Also, I think I want to be a more conscious consumer from now on because I do not know why, but suddenly I think I have started liking finishing up products जो कि पहले कभी नहीं होता था. Like it would be like I would just keep on piling new makeup and I would never use them. बस एक ही दो बार use करती थी. I would not get time to use all of them, and these days I'm loving how it feels to hit a pan or just finish up a product. I mean, I'm really liking it and I really hope कि मेरे अंदर ये जो feeling है वो continued रहे because it's saving me money, you guys. But yeah, we are not here to discuss that today. We are instead going to talk about my 2020 skincare and makeup favorites. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So to first begin with, my favorite moisturizer this year has been the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This moisturizer is so good, so refreshing, so soothing on the skin. I just really like how it feels on my skin. I have oily skin and does not make it any more oily but gives it the right amount of hydration. And yeah, it has that non-oily, fresh, refreshing, whatever you call it, feel. It just suits your skin, keeps it hydrated and moisturized for a longer period of time. It also has niacinamide in it, quite up high in the ingredients list, which really helps in controlling the sebum production of your skin. Really love it, love the soft glow it gives without making my skin look creasy and feel greasy. Also, with this moisturizer, you do not really require a lot of product. You just need a little bit and you're good to go. Next, I have this Mama Earth Upton face mask. This is a clay face mask enriched with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. Again, this is such a good face mask. First of all, it feels so good on the skin. It cools down your skin, soothes it and just makes it feel so refreshed and glowy once you wash it. And if you use it regularly, then it will ensure that your skin is clear, like your pores are clear and your skin is brightened. Really like it. Again, one of my favorites this year. Then next I have this TVAKH 5% vitamin C Glow Booster Exfoliating Water. Now I got this last year but I wasn't able to use it, so I just picked it up this year once I was over with all my toners and everything. So I picked it up and I do not know why, but I never used it. It is such a good glow boosting toner or exfoliating water, whatever you want to call it. You don't have to use it daily. You can use it thrice or maybe 4 times a week because it is not too strong on glycolic acid, so you can use it 4 times a week and you're good to go. This really helps with light acne and just makes your skin so damn glowy. It gets rid of whiteheads and light acne, and the glow it provides is just insane. It gives that glass effect to your skin. It's just that it smoothens your skin with regular use, like the bumpiness you feel on your skin when you touch it, it reduces that to quite some extent. So yeah, really love it. Then next I have this Re-Equil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This is how it looks. Now I have really oily skin and this is meant for dry to very dry skin types, but I still really liked it because first of all it did not clog my pores. It is because it is non-comedogenic. I have oily skin but it feels quite dehydrated, like oily है but जो plumpness होता है skin में, that lacks. So I was getting a lot of fine lines, premature fine lines, aging. So I was getting those fine lines near my mouth and my under eyes. So it really took great care of that. Of course, wo jo fine lines the wo gayab to ho nahi gaye, but yeah, it is ensuring that I do not get more of them. And because it has a beautiful combination of ceramide and hyaluronic acid, it ensures that your skin has that moisture locked inside it. It is a great anti-aging moisturizer. Both the ingredients are so good to repair and restore the skin. Deeply moisturizes your skin. It is so great for dry skin type. अगर आपका oily skin type है, then I would suggest you to use it at night and not in the daytime. मैं भी बस इसे night time में ही use करती हूँ. And it performs really great, especially for winters. It's a boon. Then the last skincare product I have here with me is again from the brand Re-Equal, and it is the Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. This is how it looks, and it says it is a sunscreen gel, but it is not. It is not a gel. It is a creme. Like, it's not a creme, it's a mousse formula. If you have ever used Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, then you would completely relate to the formula of this one. It exactly feels the same. It is very silicone-y, it has silicone in it, but this moisturizer is the best for the oily skin types because it does not let your skin get oily throughout the day, and it works beautifully under the makeup. मतलब आपको इसके साथ प्राइमर लगाने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. But yeah, make sure that you are applying your moisturizer underneath this sunscreen if you have dry skin type, especially because इसमें कोई भी मॉइस्चराइजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज़ नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट बेसिकली अ सनस्क्रीन. सो अगर आप उनमें से हैं जो मॉइस्चराइजर स्किप करके बस सनस्क्रीन लगाते हैं, बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू नो सनस्क्रीन कैन ऑल्सो बी वेरी ऑयली, बट दिस इज़ नॉट. इट डज नॉट हैव इवन अ सिंगल drop of oil in it. Also, it is SPF 50 PA4+, which is amazing. Also, it mattifies your skin like no one's business. So if you're someone of any gender with oily skin, then just grab it, you guys. So yeah, those were all of my skincare favorites of this year. Now let's move on towards makeup. So to first start off with, I have this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Now of course this has been in the market since a very long time, but because it is going to expire in February 2021, so I thought, you know, I would just finish it quickly. So I was using it every single day, and I love this foundation. I do not know why I ever stopped using it. Of course I never stopped, like completely stopped using it, but because I had so many other foundation to use as well, so I wasn't using it that often, and I didn't realize how good it was. But since I was using it quite frequently after the lockdown, I realized what a good foundation it is. It makes your skin look so fresh and glowy and dewy, like not so dewy. It is a matte foundation, but it does not like make your skin look too matte. It just gives a natural mattifying effect to it, restores the glow, and the coverage is medium to full coverage. Like if you want, you can build it to a full coverage. But yeah, it is a great everyday foundation, very lightweight on the skin, and also it smoothens your skin a bit. So even if you skip your primer with this one, you are good to go. Like it won't matter that much. The next foundation that I absolutely loved wearing this year was the TVAKH HD Liquid Foundation. This is how it looks, and this is what I'm wearing on my face right now. I'm in the shade 2.7, and in the Maybelline one I was in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And this foundation is so good, you guys. It is full coverage. It is very high on coverage, so you do not require a lot of it, just a pump of it and you're good to go. Again, it has a soft matte finish to it with a little bit of more glow than the Maybelline Matte and Poreless one. It is a little more dewy than that, but definitely not greasy or oily, and it pictures so well, looks so flawless on the skin. Totally love it. Then the concealers that I loved using this year were the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is how they look, and I use them to both correct my skin and also contour my skin. They do not make your skin look cakey at all. They are full coverage, and you just require a little bit of it, and does not feel heavy or cakey or exaggerate on your fine lines. It's amazing. The only con, like it's not a con, but with these concealers what you will have to do is that once you apply it on one area, then you will have to blend it quickly, otherwise it sets and it then does not move. So yeah, make sure you are blending it quickly or applying it in parts and then blending it. Then next I have a finishing powder, and it is by Maybelline Fit Me, and this powder looks so good on the skin. It is finely milled and looks like you have airbrushed makeup on your skin. It mattifies well without making it look too powdery or, you know, sticking onto your face and you know, forming that patches. No, it does not do that. It is very light and airy. It has good amount of coverage. Like it is not like very full on coverage, because it is a powder, but it is slightly tinted. So if you're someone who just likes using some powder on your, like compact powder on your face and just for a day, then this is a good option to go for, and it keeps your skin mattified for a good amount of time as well. Next I have a loose highlighting powder, and it is by Beauty. This is how it looks, and it is the HD illuminating loose powder in the shade Classic Gold. They have launched the loose powders. This one is the only illuminating loose powder in that range, and it won't suit all skin tones. Only if you are like above NC37, then it will go for your skin. But yeah, this powder, okay, so this powder again is so finely milled, and the glitter particles in it is so fine. Like, it is not at all chunky. It just looks like you have like some sheen going on, and because it has a loose powder texture to it, it does not exaggerate your textures on the cheeks, and like if you have bumpy skin, it won't exaggerate that, which is the best thing about this highlighting powder. It gives a very subtle glow. It is not at all blinding. It's something which you would love wearing on an everyday basis. Then I have another highlighter for you guys, and it is the NYKAA Shimmer Bricks. This is how it looks. I have this in the shade Want It All, and it has beautiful shades of pink, gold, and also silver. Now this highlighter, opposite to the Beauty one, is very blinding, and it also gives your skin that wet glass effect finish to it, and it just makes your skin look so beaming, glowy. I just totally love it. I am definitely planning to get the other variant of this, which is Good Old Gold, because you know, gold really complements my skin tone, I feel. But yeah, nonetheless, you can also use these as your highlighter. Like, I'll just show you. I'm just swirling around all of the shades, and like you see, it has a beautiful glow to it. Looks beautiful on the skin. I will also swatch the Beauty one just for your reference. So here's the Beauty one. So this one is the NYKAA highlighter, and this one is the Beauty one. Next I have a face palette which consists of contour, blush, and highlighter, and this one is by Sugar. This is how it looks. It comes in two shades, I guess. I have shade number 1, and this palette is so compact, so travel friendly, comes with a mirror, and the palette is so pigmented. Like, I'll show you. This is the bronzer, the highlighter, and the blush. Like, do you see? Of course you would not be able to see the bronzer because it is of the color of my hand, but can you see the highlighter and the blush? It is pretty pigmented, looks beautiful on the skin. Again, it is not too powdery and melts right into your skin. Next I have a setting spray, and it is Miss Clear Matte Finish Long Lasting Makeup Fixer. This is how it looks. Last time I showed you guys the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, which was amazing, but this one is also really good, especially if you have oily skin, or even if you have dry skin, because what it does is that it gives your skin that soft focus effect to it. Although it is just a makeup setting spray, it takes away all the powderiness from your face and makes it look a little blurred out, like your face and pores. It just looks so beautiful. Next, let's move towards our eyes. So my favorite eyeshadow palette this year has to be the NYKAA eyeshadow palettes. I have another variant of this, which was Autumn Spice, and this one is Poison Apple. But yeah, these eyeshadows are so pigmented. The mattes are beautiful, and the shimmers are even more gorgeous. Like, I love the shimmers in this palette. They are so foil. Like, I'll just swatch a few shades. I think I will swatch this one right here. So can you see? They are very pigmented, blends beautifully, and are very affordable. Then my favorite mascara this year has been the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Now you guys might be wondering कि Essence तो इंडिया में मिलता ही नहीं है, but मिलता है, अब मिलता है. They are available on Flipkart and Myntra. So again, you do not need to worry. I will leave the link to everything in my description box below. But ये जो है Lash Princess Mascara, it is a little difficult to get because ये बहुत जल्दी out of stock चला जाता है. So I also have their Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. Both of them are equally good. I just love it a little more because it separates. मतलब जितने आपके lashes नहीं होंगे उससे ज़्यादा इसमें दिखने लगता है. I do not know how, but the only con I feel with this mascara is that it flakes off after some time, which is not good. But for the insane volume and length it gives, I'm ready to die for it. Now coming to my favorite kajal, it has been the NYKAA IM 24x7 kajal, and this kajal, oh my god, it does not move, smudge, go anywhere. It is so long lasting. It is one of those kajal which do not even move from your tight line to your lower lash line. Like I have applied it here and I will just wait for a few seconds for it to dry and set in, and then I will show you how smudge proof and budge proof it is. By the way, look at the pigmentation it has. It is insanely pigmented. It is jet black and it stays for the entire day without smudging. Now I will just try to smudge it. Like, do you see? It does not even smudge a bit. Once it sets in, it sets in. Next comes my favorite eyeliner, and it is the LAKME Insta Liner. It is a water resistant eyeliner, not waterproof, but their new launched colors are so damn pretty. And this electric blue color looks so stunning on the eyes. It takes a little longer to dry than the original black one. That one dries quickly and is one of my most favorite eyeliners of all times. I do not have it currently because I broke it, but yeah, the black one has my heart as it is matte and very pigmented, and same goes with this one. It is matte and very pigmented, very pigmented. It does not smudge, crack or feather, and just look at the color. I mean, of course you would not be able to see it. It is so pigmented and pretty. Next I have an eyebrow product, and it is the Essence Make Me Brow eyebrow gel. I know you could not be able to see the name. I do not know what's wrong with Hawk Makeup and Flipkart. They just put the sticker on the name on top of it, and it's just so difficult to remove it. But yeah, this is by Essence. It just keeps your brows in place. This is what I have applied on my brows right now, and I apply it on almost all of my tutorials. It fills into your brows, it adds colors to it, and it is very suitable for Indian hair because it has that ashy brown grey tones to it, which will suit everyone. And it has some fibers in it which mimic some hair, so if you have like sparse eyebrows, then this is a wonderful option to go for because it can fill into your brows as well and add color to it. Very effortless product for college going girls or someone who is very lazy to do their eyebrows, because most of the times in my daily life I just use it without filling into my brows, and I just use it and it makes my eyebrows look so much more groomed and, you know, fuller. Now we are left with only lip colors. So the first one is this LAKME Forever Matte liquid lip color. This is how it looks. They're available in so many shades, which is amazing. I love the formula of these liquid lipstick. They are non-drying, they are very pigmented, stays on for a good amount of time. Like, it's everything you would want in a liquid lipstick and affordable. So yeah, definitely a must buy from my side. I have a detailed review which you can go ahead and check that out. Then I have another lipstick which is again from LAKME, and it is the Matte Melt liquid lip color, and this is more like a lip tint. Like, yeah, the formula is exactly like lip tint. Like, it is watery and not very pigmented, so if you just apply one layer of it, it will look like a sheer lipstick. But once you layer it twice or thrice, it builds to their maximum opacity and looks beautiful. It does not crack on the lips, and it feels so lightweight. It is non-drying. Again, very beautiful formula. I love LAKME lipsticks. Like, their lipsticks have my heart. Like, one thing that LAKME makes the best is their lipsticks. Their lipstick formulas are the best, I swear by god. Then the last product I have here with me is the EXFOLIATING Beauty lip pots. This is how they look, and these lipsticks are again very pigmented. They are matte, like they do not have sheen to it. If you buy the bullet form of the EXFOLIATING Beauty lipstick, then it does have some sheen to it, but this one is completely matte. It just looks very beautiful on the lips. What I do is I just take it with my fingers and apply it on my lips for a flash of color, but of course you can use what do you call it, that lip applicator, and apply it on your lips for more opacity. I also like using it as my blush. Again, I just take it on my fingers, apply a few dots on my cheek, and then blend it out. It blends easily, looks flawless, gives a very nice dewy finish to my cheeks, looks amazing, and they stay on for a long period of time. Even if you eat something oily, it will leave a little bit of stain, which is a great thing. So yeah, EXFOLIATING Beauty lip pots are highly recommended. Again, I have a full review, so you can go ahead and check them out. So yeah, that will be it for my today's video. Those were all the 20 products that I loved using this 2020. Please do let me know in the comment section below what were your favorite products this year. I would love to know it. And yeah, I will link all of my favorites in my description box below, so make sure you check them out. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, take good care of yourself, enjoy the holidays, wishing you a very happy new year. May this year bring a lot of joy and prosperity in your life. So yeah, now I'll take a leave. Bye bye.